Hello, my name is Deepal and today's video topic is a collection framework in Java. The collection is in Java is a framework that provide a architecture to store and manipulate the group of objects. Java collection can achieve all the operations that you perform on a data such as searching, sorting, insertion, manipulation and deletion. In Java, Java collection means a single Java collection means a single unit of object. Java collection framework provide many interface, set, list, queue, dequeue, and classes. Um, Classes provide array list, vector, linked list, priority queue, hash set, linked hash set, tree set. So what is the collection in Java? So a collection request is a collection represents a single unit of object that is a group. What is the framework in Java? It is the it provide ready-made architecture. It represent a set of classes and interfaces in the optional. So what is the collection framework? The collection framework represent a unified architecture of for storing a manipulating a group of object. It has interface and it implementation that is uh, classes and algorithms. So uh, collection interface. The collection interface is the interface which is implemented by all the classes in the collection framework. It is declare the method that every collection will have it. Other words, we can say that the collection interface built in the foundation on the which collection framework is depend. Some some of the method of the collection interface are boolean add all, while clear, etc., which are the implemented by the all subclasses of the collection interface. In Java, firstly we discuss about list interface. So list interface is the child interface of the collection interface. It inhabit the list type data structure in which we can store the order collection of object. It can have duplicate values. List interface is the implemented by the classes array list, linked list vector, and the stack. There are various method in list interface that can be used to insert, delete, and access the element from the list. The classes that implemented the list interface are given below. So first one is the array list. So we discuss about array list. The array list class implemented the list interface. It used a dynamic array to store the duplicate element of the different type. The array list can maintain the insertion order and it non-synchronized. The element stored in the array list class can be randomly accessed. Second one is the linked list. So linked list implements the collection interface. It is used to doubly linked list internally to store the element. It can store a duplicate element. It maintain the insertion order and it not synchronized in linked list. The manipulation is faster because no shifting is required. Third one is a vector. Vector used to a dynamic array to store the data element. It is the similar to array list. However, uh, however, it is the synchronized and contain many method that are not the part of a collection framework. Fourth one is stack. Stack is the stack is a subclass of the vector. It implements the last in first out data structure, that is the stack. The stack contains all of the methods of a vector class, and also provide its methods like boolean push, boolean p, and boolean push, uh, which defined properties. Uh, Next one is a queue interface. So queue interface maintain the first out order. It can be defined as an order list that is used to hold the element which are about to be the proceed. There are various classes in the queue: priority queue, DQ, and array TQ, which is implemented the queue interface. Thank you so much.